Evelyn, and today we're diving deep into the life story of our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal. Pero hindi yung usual history ha, masakitin sa ulo, nakakalula. We're just gonna explore the 5 interesting facts about Dr. Jose Rizal. So without further ado, let's go! Fact number 1. Alam niyo ba ang buong pangalan ni Dr. Jose Rizal? Kailan siya ipinanganak at kailan siya namatay? Well, his full name was Dr. Jose Portasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Yalonda. Ipinanganak siya noong June 19, 1861 sa Calamba, Laguna at namatay noong December 30, 1896 sa edad na 36 years old. Fact number 2. The ladies' man. Yes, Dr. Jose Rizal was a quiet charmer. He has several love interests including Leonora Rivera who is believed to be his greatest love. Naku, ang dami nagkakagusto ka Dr. Jose Rizal. Sana all! Fact number 3. He is a polyglot. Ano ba ang polyglot? Ang polyglot ay isang taong nakakapagsalita ng iba't ibang lingwahe at isa na doon si Dr. Jose Rizal. Rizal was fluent in 22 languages, including Spanish, French, English, German, at Japanese. Grabe naman itong si Dr. Jose Rizal, nagpala sa lahat. Fact number 4. Alam niyo ba ang dahilan kung bakit nag-aaral ng medisina si Dr. Jose Rizal? Ito ay dahil nawala ng paningin ang kanyang ina at gusto niya matulungan ito. Grabe no, hindi lang pala matalino at talentado si Dr. Jose Rizal. Mabait ding anak. Fact number 5. Alam niyo ba na may dalawang pinaka-famous na nobela si Dr. Jose Rizal? Ito ay ang No Limit Tangere at El Filibusterismo. Yun yung mga plano niyang pambansang epiko na nagmulat sa mga Pilipino laban sa kolonyalismong Espanyol. Fact number 6. Si Rizal ay isang polymath. Hindi lang siya basta manunulat. Marunong siya magguhit, mag-ukit, magpinta, at pati na rin sa pagiging doktor. Particular na isang ophthalmologist. Oo, si Dr. Jose Rizal ay isang eye doctor. Fact number 7. Did you know that Rizal predicted his own death? Oo, in some of his writings, Rizal seems to foresee his execution. Parang alam na niya ang kanyang kapalaran. Fact number 8. He is a martial arts enthusiast. Rizal practiced martial arts including fencing and judo. Astig din pala ng Dr. Jose Rizal sa fighting. Fact number 9. He wrote a novel inside a prison cell. Yes, while in prison in Fort Santiago, he wrote a novel, Mi Ultimo Adios, na ang ibig sabihin ay My Last Farewell. Imagine, sa gitna ng pagsubok, nakasulat pa rin siya ng masterpiece. Fact number 10.
Consumatum est.
Wait, ano yun? Consumatum est? Ah, naalala ko na. It was Rizal's last words before his execution na ang ibig sabihin, it is finished. So that's all. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Pero isa lang talaga ang masasabi ko, sana all na lang talaga kay Dr. Jose Rizal.